Square root of 1 over n into sigma xi minus x bar whole square will gives the standard deviation. So variance is equal to rho square, and the square root of rho square will gives the standard deviation. What is to find? Just find out the mean first. So mean for this x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. The variance rho square is equal to 45.8, and the standard deviation is equal to square root of 48.5. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So today in this session I am going to discuss regarding variance and standard deviation, mean, variance and standard deviation. This is very important concept, so you are going to expect 5 marks question from this. So let us discuss regarding the variance, mean and standard deviation. Now, so what is the variance? Rho square. Rho square is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. So that is the variance is given by rho square is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square divided by n will gives the variance, and the square root of this variance will gives the standard deviation. The square root of this, the square root of, so therefore rho is equal to square root of sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square divided by n will gives the value, that is the square root of this. So the square root of 1 over n into sigma xi minus x bar whole square will gives the standard deviation. So variance is equal to rho square, and the square root of rho square will gives the standard deviation. Okay. Now let us go to the first problem. Let us discuss. Find the variance for the following data. What is the data given? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it contains 10 numbers. N is equal to 10. Right. Now let us represent this as xi. So xi is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. This is xi, right? So represent this as xi. So 6 to 24. Then add this. If you add, what you will get? Sigma xi is equal to, so if you add 24 plus 22, 20, 18, 16 plus 14 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6, this is equal to 150. Right, sigma xi is equal to 150. Now find out the mean first. Mean is equal to, mean x bar is equal to sigma xi divided by n. So 150 divided by n is equal to 10, that's equal to 15. So here x bar is equal to 15. The mean is equal to 15. Mean is 15. Okay, mean is 15. Now first find out xi minus x bar, then xi minus x bar whole the square. Right. So here you will get sigma xi minus x bar whole square. Now just xi minus x bar whole square, that is 6 minus 15, that is equal to minus 9. 8 minus 15, 8 minus 15 is minus 7. 10 minus 15 is minus 5. Again 12 minus 15 is minus 3. 14 minus 15 is minus 1. 16 minus 15 is plus 1. 18 minus 15 is plus 3. 20 minus 15 is 5. Again 22 minus 5 is plus 7. And 24 minus 15 is plus 9. So minus 9, minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is x minus x bar. Now square this. If you square 9 9s are 81, 7 7s are 49, 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9, minus 1 square is plus 1, 1 square is plus 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, 7 square is 8, 9 9s are 81. So if you add this, you are going to get this as 330. Okay. Now what is the formula for variance? So therefore the variance is equal to variance So what is to find the variance? So variance rho square is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. Sigma xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. So what is this equal to? That is 330 divided by n. N is equal to 10. That's equal to 33. Right. So therefore the variance rho square is equal to 33. Suppose if you want to find the standard deviation, say for example, if you want to find the standard deviation, rho is equal to square root of 33. That's all. What is standard deviation? Rho is equal to square root of 33. So this is equal to 5.744. So the standard deviation is 5.74. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Find the variance and standard deviation for the following data. So what is to find? Just find out the mean first. So mean for this x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Right. Then find out the standard deviation and the variance. Now let us arrange the given data in the table. So xi, what is xi? Xi contains 4, 8, 11, 17, 20, again 24 and 32. So fi, what is fi? 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 5, 4, 5, 4, then 3 and 1. So if I add this, you will get sigma fi is equal to, so add this 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 29, 30. So sigma fi is equal to 30. Now multiply this two. If you multiply this, 4 3s are 12, fi into xi. Multiply these two. 4 3s are 12, 5 8s are 40. Again 11 9s are 99. Again 17 5s are 85. Right. Again 20 into 4 is 80. 24 into 3 is 72. 32 into 1 is 32. Now add this. So if you add this, sigma fi xi is equal to 420. You will get 420. Okay. Now just find out mean sigma fi xi. Sigma fi x is equal to 420 divided by 30. So 42 divided by 3. What is this equal to? This is equal to 14. So x bar is equal to 14. Mean is equal to 14. Right. Now just next is xi minus x bar. Xi, this is mod of xi minus x bar is 14. Subtract 14 from this. Xi minus x bar. 4 minus 14 minus 10. Minus 10 is nothing but plus 10. So 8 minus 14. 8 minus 14 is minus 6. That is modulus of minus 6 is plus 6. 11 minus 14 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 3. 17 minus 14. 17 minus 14 is plus 3. Again 20 minus 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 24 minus 14 is 10. So 32 minus 14 is equal to, what is this equal to? 18. Right. So and square this xi minus x bar whole square or mod of xi minus x bar whole square. So if you square this, 10 square is 100, 6 square is 36, 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36, 100 and 18 square, 18 into 18, 324. Right. Now multiply these two. Multiply fi into xi minus x bar whole square. So multiply 100 into 3 is 300. Okay. 100 into 3 is 300. Again 5 into 36 is 180. Next 9 into 9 is 81. 9 into 5, 45. Okay. Next 36 into 4 is 144. Again 100 into 3 is 300. And the last one 324 into 1 is 324. Now add this. So if you add sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square is equal to, if you add this, this is equal to 1374. 1374. Right. Therefore, the variance is equal to rho square is equal to, what is the formula? Sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. So this is 1374 divided by n. What is n is equal to? N here is 30. So if you divide 1374 by 30, so this is nothing but 45.8. So therefore, the variance rho square is equal to 45.8 and the standard deviation is equal to square root of 48.5. So this is approximately equal to 6.77. So the standard deviation is equal to 6.77. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Very important for the point of examination. Hope you followed, right? Move on to the next concept. Variance and standard deviation of a discrete frequency distribution. Let me explain. Variance and standard deviation of a discrete frequency distribution. So the variance is same as that of rho square is equal to previous type. Rho square is equal to 1 over n sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square, and the standard deviation is equal to square root of this. So square root of 1 over n into sigma fi xi minus xi whole square. So this is same for as that of the previous one. So variance and the standard deviation for a discrete frequency distribution, variance is equal to sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square divided by n, and the standard deviation is equal to sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square divided by n under root. Now move on to your first problem. So variance and standard deviation for continuous frequency distribution. For continuous frequency distribution, variance is equal to rho square is equal to 1 over n into sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square, whereas the standard deviation is equal to 1 over n into square root of n into sigma fi xi whole square minus sigma fi xi whole square. Now based on this, let us take a problem. Calculate the mean, variance and standard deviation for the following distribution. Class interval and frequency is given. Class interval 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, and the frequency 3, 7, 12, 15, 8, 3 and 2. Right. So this is the class interval and the frequency. Okay. Now let us represent this in the table. So what is to find the mean, variance and the standard deviation for the following distribution. So here the class interval frequency is given. What is the class interval? So 30, 40, 30, 40, 40, 50, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, and the last one is 90, 100. Okay. And what is the frequency? 3, 7, 3, 7, 12, 3, 7, 12, 15, 8, 15, 8, 3 and 2. This is given. Now just find out the midpoint xi. So 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 70 divided by 2 is 35. Midpoint is 35. For this 40 and 50, the midpoint is 45. 50 and 60, midpoint is 55. 60 and 75, midpoint is 65. 70 to 80, the midpoint is 75. Next one is 85 and 95. This is the midpoint. Now multiply these two, fi and xi, right? 35 into 3, 45 into 7. So multiply this. Now if you multiply this, 35 into 3 is 105, right? So 45 into 7 is 315. 12 into 55 is 660, right? 15 into 65, 975. Then 75 into 8, 600. Right, 85 into 3, 255, 255, and the last 95 into 2. 95 into 2 is 190. So 95 into 2, this is equal to 190. Right. Now add this. If you add, you will get sigma fi xi, and this is sigma fi. Okay. Now just add this. So if you add 7 plus 3 plus 12 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, this is totally equal to 50. Now if you add this, sigma fi xi is equal to, so if you add this, this is equal to 3100. Okay. Now find out the mean x bar is equal to, now therefore the mean x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi divided by sigma fi. So that is, what is this equal to? 3100 divided by 3100 divided by 50. So therefore x bar is equal to 3100 divided by 50. So this is equal to 62. So x bar is equal to 62. Now substitute here. So find out xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar is 62 whole square. Okay. So just subtract 62 from this. 35 minus 62 whole square, 45 minus 62 whole square, 55 minus 62 whole square. If you simplify, you are going to get it as, so you will get this as 729, 289, then 49, 9, 169, 529, and the last one. So 95 minus 62. What is 95 minus 62? So 95 minus 62, that's equal to 33 whole square. 33 whole square is equal to 1089. So you will write 1089. Now multiply these two. Fi into xi minus x bar whole square. These two. Multiply these two. So 3 into 729, 7 into 289, 12 into 49, 15 into 9, 8 into 169, 3 into 529, 2 into 1089. What is this equal to? So this is equal to 2187, then 2023, 588, then 9 into 15, that is 135, 15 9s are 135. Next, 8 into 169 is equal to 1352. Then 529 into 3, 1587. And the last one, 1089 into 2. That's equal to 2178. Now add this. Sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square. This is equal to, if you add, what is this equal to? 10050. 10050. Right. Now therefore the variance, rho square is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by, so that is sigma fi. So this is equal to 10050 divided by 50. What is this equal to? 201. So this is equal to 200 variance rho square. Now therefore the standard deviation is equal to square root of 201. Just find out the square root of this. So 14.18. So therefore the standard deviation is equal to 14.18. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Okay. So hope you followed how to find the variance and standard deviation for the given problem. Hope you followed all these type of problems. These type of problems are very important for the point of examination. You may expect 1 5 marks question from this. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.